what do you think they are using for planning their spare parts, planning their production? DDMRP, yes, exactly! Hey, DDMRP Champions! Woo! Stop managing chaos! Hey, DDMRP Champions! I'm here in Monterrey, Mexico! Woo! And I'm doing the best thing I love in my life is visiting companies, visiting manufacturing plants. And today I'm visiting graphic packaging. This company is doing an amazing job creating all the packaging for their customers. And packaging is just an amazing process. They created the boxes, they print it, they band it. Wow, incredible. And the key points, look at the surprise today, especially for you. Here, we've got a lot of bending machines and cutting machines from BOBST. Guess who is BOBST? BOBST is a company that is in Switzerland. And what do you think they are using for planning their spare parts, planning their production? DDMRP, yes, exactly! So that's incredible on the other side of the world, just to connect these smart brands and smart people that are moving forward on their planning side. So think about that and stop managing chaos!